It's one of the good workshop I attended, negotiation skill.
Yeah, it was a great experience having being a part of his course on negotiation skills.
It was a moment of value addition, personally also, and whatever we learned from you during this interaction, that's not only beneficial from the professional point of view, from the personal point of view also.
Today, I attended a workshop on negotiation skills by Mr. Amrutt Bhatt. It was very refreshing and a new perspective given to the art of negotiation skills, very beautifully explained. I really enjoyed it very much. I wish him all the best and all success. Thank you.
So my name is Amrutt Bhatt. I've had the opportunity of delivering over 3,500 events till date. I hold a couple of world records as well when I get to represent India. I've had the opportunity of interacting with over 200,000 participants till date, and I've been on TEDx as well. What we're going to learn today will help you ensure that you have a strong fundamental. It should be essential that each individual that interacts with us needs to remember us considering the kind of competition that we have in the market. So this is a workshop which is going to be fun, engaging, interactive. On your marks, get set, go, go, go! '28, '24, 26. And the winner is Team 1. Let's have a round of applause everyone for Team 1. Fantastic. The person who knows the most is the most powerful person in the room. Answers can be wrong, but not attempting is the biggest mistake. And the beauty of negotiation is you got to ask questions. It's important that we stop looking at our clients, our internal clients, external clients as opponents. And believe me, a lot of your customers will never tell you about these things.
Wonderful presentation. It was very interesting and interactive, and all of them have had a lot of learnings and takeaways. So thank you so much.
Thank you, that means a lot. Thank you so much.